Hey, welcome to City Talks Tech. Let's get technical. Today, we're going to be unboxing the new AirPods Pro. Is it a Pro? I don't know. Stay tuned and find out. I don't know what I'm doing wrong with all of my AirPods, but like the sound will just consistently just keep decreasing to the point that like I can hardly hear anything on either AirPod. It'll start with one AirPod and then the other AirPod will follow. And I just got it maybe like 4 months ago. So it's just like in 4 months, I've gone through 3 pairs being replaced. So I'm happy that they got the little warranty on it. But honestly, I'm really curious to find out if these work any better, if these will stay in my ears, because with the last ones, I had a lot of problems with this staying in my ears. If I turn my head even slightly, they'd fall right out, wouldn't know where they went. But hopefully it won't be the case with these AirPods Pros. So let's get into the box and see what we got in here. So on the box itself, we have a nice little picture, just the Apple logo, nothing exciting. It's cute. This is what I really like about Apple, because their packaging tends to be really, really sleek and just really simplistic. And that's honestly what sets the Apple brand apart from a lot of other brands. But let's crack into this box. Here we go. Designed by Apple in California. So let's get into the box. So inside we have all of our simple care manuals, packets, you know, all the good stuff that comes with it. Of course we can't just get right into it, you know, we gotta go through the packets. I'm playing, but you guys can read it at your own speed. Yeah, it's just a nice little user manual, safety and handling, all the basic good stuff they usually get with these. But we don't need today. Let's keep going. Oh, this is so cute. I got it in great. These are drop proof on hardwood floors. That's terrible. Okay, drop test. All right, but what I was saying was it was cute because I got my name engraved onto it with a little smiley face. You couldn't put emojis and have words, so you had to pick one or the other. So I just did a simple text of a smiley face because I always got a smile on my face. So yeah, so we have the case, we got the AirPods inside. Let's get inside the rest of the box. So inside the rest of the box, we have the charging cable, and we also have, so these are the additional earbuds that they give you that you can use to replace the ones that they gave. So they have 2 sets, one that's a little smaller than what's already on there, and a set that's already bigger. I actually like this little thing. It closes so cute. Look at that. And I got the little tab on it just so you can pull it. See, I like easy to open things because I struggle. I struggle way too much. So I need things that I just easily pull and it's just good to go. All right, well, let's get into the part that we all came for, which are the pros. Ooh. Oh, this was cute. I kept her together. Yeah. Okay, they got a little charge to them too. Oh wow, look at that. Just for size, the case of the regular AirPods versus the AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro is a little bit wider and not as tall. This is more of a narrow feel, but I guess if I turn it sideways, and for length purposes, got a little bit of inches on it. So they both open the same way. But let's get into the pros. Let's take a good look at these AirPods. So they've added on a mesh grill to the top for pressure equalization. The microphone grill actually shrank and moved inwards just to allow for more professional conversations. Okay, so now it's time for the part that I'm most excited for. Let's see how these bad boys fit. So let's go. Ooh. my gosh, I feel like I'm blocking out the word. Bruh. Okay, so these. Wow, that noise cancellation is so real. That's actually really crazy, the difference just from the moment you put them in your ears. It feels like, you know when you talk to yourself, well not talk to, I guess you talk to yourself, when you close your ears and you just talk and like that inner voice that you hear, it sounds like that. Like it sounds like you're closed off to the outside world. Oh, this is exciting. All right, jamming out to some tunes. You can press and hold the sound. So now you have the option noise cancellation. You can turn it off. Wow, that sounds different. And transparency. Noise cancellation drowns out all the sounds around you and just puts you in tune with your music. It's just you and your music, nobody else is here. So the other settings though, you can have off or you can have transparency. Transparency allows for you to just sort of hear what's going around you. And you can also still listen to your music, but you can still easily have conversations if you like. But if you put in headphones, who really wants to have conversations? You put in headphones to avoid conversations, right? Well, maybe that's just me, I don't know. All in all, these headphones are really actually comfortable. I can shake my head, they're really in there. These are actually a little shorter than the regular AirPods, which I actually really appreciate because I don't really care for the stem hanging out like that. It's not really the cutest of things to me, but you know, Bluetooth is the future, so getting onto the wave. But that really about wraps it up for our unboxing and first impression video. I hope you guys tune into the next episode on my channel and just see how I compare the AirPods Pros to the regular AirPods. But for now, follow me on Instagram, subscribe, first and foremost, subscribe. Let's start there. Follow me on Twitter, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.